While there's no substitute for a professional massage to work out muscle tension, knots, and kinks, a good daily tune-up with a foam roller can do wonders to prevent soreness between workouts. A number of foam rollers are available on the market for every budget. Whether you're looking for a quick total body rollout, or a more in-depth deep tissue massage from a textured foam roller that vibrates, we've got you covered. Today we are going to review 4 best foam roller of this year, and we are going to start our list with Morph foam roller. Designed with foam-covered collapsible bamboo slats, this foam roller lets you take your recovery routine on the go. Easily stashable in your gym bag, this full-size foam roller expands to a diameter of 5.5 inches and a length of 14.5 inches to easily span your back and glute muscles. The best part? It weighs only 1.5 pounds, so it won't be a drag to take to the gym. And as always, the link is in the description below. Next up is Xylian Vibrating Foam Roller. Recover faster with this high-density vibrating foam roller. This model comes with 4 vibration settings that help work muscle knots and soreness out of your body. Perfect for soothing your myofascial trigger points after a workout, the ridge design gives customers 3 pressure zones to choose from so that you can tailor your massage experience. Next in the list is OPTP Pro Roller. This high-durability EVA foam muscle roller is ideal for giving your brain the cue to relax. Best for gentle massage, regular use of this foam rollers can help you release tension, recover from tough workouts, break up tight fascia, and improve your range of motion. Think of this roller as an aid to your stretches and postural exercises like yoga. While it won't target the tightest, deepest muscles, rolling with this model will certainly go a long way toward making you feel better. Again, the link is in the description. The best foam roller in the list is Trigger Point Grid. Trigger Point Grid foam rollers feature a patented design that's nearly indistinguishable from a masseur's hands, at least according to your muscles. Used by physical therapists and trainers, this foam roller is ideal for working deeply into tight muscle knots and kinks. Purchase of any Trigger Point Grid foam roller includes free access to an online instructional video library from the experts at Trigger Point that illustrate the best foam roller techniques. The product also offers a 1-year warranty to ensure you're covered while working out that muscle tension. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.